Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show some tools that can help you create a perfect portrait by highlighting certain areas. With these tools, we can make sure every part of the image looks just right, writing out the best in our portrait. The first tool I use is an electric eraser. Don't use the tip of the eraser directly, that's not the right way. Instead, I use a sandpaper to sharpen the eraser tool perfectly. With the help of the electric razor, we can see fine details more clearly. This helps us get rid of small mistakes and our portrait looks more beautiful. The second tool I use is a white charcoal pencil. Now I'm going to use the white charcoal pencil in another portrait. As you can see, I'm using the charcoal pencil to highlight the fold of the turban. This helps to make the turban look more realistic. You can also use the charcoal pencil inside the eyes to make them look more realistic. Don't use this pencil on eyes lens. My next favorite tool is white gel pen. It's used to enhance the appearance of specific area. This tool is great for adding details in the portrait. So you already know about the simple eraser, but I'm not going to talk about that. I will talk about the soft rubber eraser. With the help of this, we can blend, shade, smooth, correct and brighten your sketch and drawing. I hope you find these tools helpful for creating your perfect portrait. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.